Tapay is easy-to-use application that allow fund transfer between two people with just a tap of their phones. It uses NFC technology to get the payee details by just a tap of two phones, and payer can then initiate the transaction using PSD2 API at backend. Any new bank account added require one-time user authentication through user's bank, and API key is generated for the application. Once the banks authenticate the user and account details, the app can provide an aggregated view of multiple accounts across different banks and also allow multi-bank payments and transfers. The UI provide the different levels of account and transaction details for ease of understanding. User can select preferred payment and receiving accounts for fund transfer. Pay by Tap is easy to use feature to transfer funds by just tapping the two phones together. No pre-registration of beneficiary required. Just tap and pay your taxi driver, or your friend for a drink, or the local retail shop or any merchant. The possibilities are endless. Application is also smart enough to initiate transaction through two bank accounts if primary account has shortfall of funds. Transaction initiation is fingerprint or password protected. The payment cycle work in reverse order and is more secure as authentication details never leave payer smartphone and he is the one to initiate transfer with his bank to the payee's bank. Within split seconds the transferred amount get reflected in payee's bank account with an update on his app. No POS machines, no additional hardware cost. This is a technology which will soon be available to every smartphone owner. And well, for those merchants too, who do not want to use their personal phones for this. If merchant don't want to use a smartphone, all they need is a 50 pence NFC sticker pasted on their billing counter and they are ready to accept payment using this technology without changing or adding anything to their existing setup. App also provide convention way of transaction to send money to added beneficiaries. Dashboard of the app provide a clear view of saving bank accounts, credit cards, and date-wise inflow and outflow of cash across banks. User get a quick view of money credited and debited across accounts or through any single account. All this is shown in simple to understand graphical view. Beneficiaries can be added by tap for future payment or just by manually entering the details. App is also capable of running smart logic for target marketing and showing relevant advertisement for bank products based on his balances across different banks and also his spending habits. It can offer sweep products if customer holds substantial money in other banks or can offer discounts on coffee if user is regular spender in this area.